How to make only my contacts can see my profile picture on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only my contact can see my profile picture on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find the account and then click privacy, and here you will find this one this one here, profile photo. Click on it and then click my contacts and click done. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.